Hi, when it comes to make a project related to field of electronics, we remember this or this or this. So what are these? These are Arduino Nano or Arduino Uno or Arduino Mega. So and when time comes to select one of these, we get confused. So are you one of it? Watch this video until the end and I assure you to get a proper selection procedure for selecting one of these models. Hey guys, you are watching Technofetch and I am Pratik, and in this video I am going to explain you a proper selection process for this Arduino. So let's get started. So these three are the boards which we use for our electronics projects. So let's keep this aside and let's talk about these two. Don't consider this is a part of different project. Only consider about this Arduino Nano and Arduino Uno. We'll be comparing these both and we'll be finalizing the selection criteria. What would be which one will be the best suited for our project. So let's talk about the physical overview of these boards. As you see, the Arduino is bit larger. Arduino Uno is bit larger than Arduino Nano, as the name signifies that it is an Arduino Nano. But what about their electrical properties or electronics property? What about their speed and their EEPROM as well as the flash memory? So let's talk about it. As we know that Arduino Nano as well as Arduino Uno as well as Arduino Nano, these both uses the same microcontroller, which is Atmega 328P, and this microcontroller is in two different forms. As we see there, it is in a DIP form and it is in SMD form. So as it is in SMD form, it is bit smaller and it fits in a very smaller package, and we get the same functionality which is there in the Arduino Uno in the Arduino Nano. So now let's see their digital pins as well as the analog pins as well as the interrupt, their frequency of working, their flash memory. So let's talk about it. So Arduino Nano has 14 digital pins. Arduino Uno too has 14 digital pins, which both of them has 6 PWM pins, and the Arduino Nano as well as Arduino Uno, both of them has 8 analog pins. The external interrupts which we require when we make a project of some project where we need interrupts to be handled. So for that there are only two interrupt pins, which is pin 2 and pin 3. So we can use only two interrupt with these two boards. Then the working frequency. The working frequency is about 16 megahertz. The both of the board works on 16 megahertz. There is no difference between their speed. And then comes the flash memory. Both of as the microcontroller used by both of these board are of 16 or of 8 bit, and they are same microcontroller, so they had 32 KB of flash memory. So now let's talk about the physical difference between them. So as we see here, it offers many female pins, and as Arduino Nano is small, it offers the male pins. And the basic difference comes here. So as it offers many female pins, so we could make a shield. There are many shields for Arduino Uno. There are many shields for Arduino Uno, and you can directly fit them on this and you can use on this. But for the Arduino Nano, you need to make a circuit which I have made like this, or you can directly put the jumper wires and you can connect it to it. But when the size matters, so you can go with Arduino Nano. And the most important thing which Arduino Nano don't have but Arduino Uno have, the thing is the USB interface. The Arduino Nano don't offer you the USB interface, but Arduino Uno offers you a USB interface. What is difference between the USB interface? Means why you must be wondering that it too has a USB connector. It also has a USB connector which we connect to a computer. But what is the difference? So Arduino Nano is directly connected through the FTDI programmer, which is a chip. I don't know the proper number, but it is a chip which is known as an FTDI chip. So it is connected through it and it helps in programming the Arduino Nano. But in case of Arduino Uno, there is a chip which is the Atmel 16U2, which is a USB interface chip which offers the USB interface to Arduino Nano. And when it comes to use a DFU mode for Arduino Uno, then or any of your Arduino project where you need a DFU mode, so in that case you can't use Arduino Nano. And in further videos, when I'll be now there will be a video coming of mine where I am using the DFU mode of Arduino Uno and where I could not use Arduino Nano. So watch that video when it will be there. So here you can see here that there is a small chip here. There is a small chip here which is 16U2. It is a USB interface chip, so which offers the USB interface to Arduino Uno. So but in the case of Arduino Nano, you could not find that chip as it don't have USB interface. So this is the most important difference between the Arduino Nano and Arduino Uno. So this was the difference. So now what about the selection criteria? If your project don't requires the Arduino USB interface and you are not a beginner, or you could directly interface the shields or various different modules directly to the pins of Arduino Atmega 328P. So I recommend you to directly use Arduino Nano instead of Arduino Uno, as it costs a bit more than Arduino Nano. So keeping this aside, there comes the Arduino Mega. So when should you select this board? So now whenever you are working on a big project where you need a huge number of digital pins, huge number of serial communication, I2C communication, as well as UART communication, so in that case you can use Arduino Mega, as this offers many of the digital pins. It offers near about 54 digital pins. It offers 54 input output digital pins. It offers about 16 analog pins, and it offers about 15 PWM pins, as well as it has a huge memory. It has about 256 KB of memory, and both the three of these use 16 megahertz of the clock frequency. So but this is very big, and also you can find many of these shields which fits directly on this development board, and you can use them. So when you are working on a big project, and also when you are working on a project where you need a DFU mode, it too offers a USB communication with these one, the Arduino 2560, Arduino Atmega 2560. So this is a type of microcontroller which is a Atmel series, AVR series microcontroller. It is a 8-bit microcontroller, and it offers many of the digital pins. So this was the basic difference between these three of them, and there are many different boards which are offered by Arduino. They are Arduino Leonardo, Arduino Dio. There are many boards. So and also the Arduino new board is coming, and if you like me to make a video on that one, please comment down below. And if you like this video, like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching.